Apple to the downside. 2-minute EWO is already in effect on Apple to the downside. Just remember, please be careful. Best thing to do, of course, would be to wait and see if you can get two of your indicators formed for the 2-minute EWO. I can see that the Qs have pulled back. Apple just flushing out. Apple is continuing to pull to the downside here. Apple consolidating at this 231.37, consolidating.
In the meanwhile, Apple just rebounded like crazy.
I don't know about like crazy, but it went from, 228.50.
Still respecting the 9.
Yep, still on the 9, but definitely a collection point, right, gang? Good job. Let's take a look at this. Let's look at this 2-minute EWO beautifulness off this right here. So our entry was just basically at the open. You could have waited either here or here. Now, what we're looking for is a pullback. So down, 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 flat, down, 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 pullback. There's 50%. Right here, pullback. There's 20%. Flat, crossed, consolidate, up 20%. So 50, 20, 20, still should have at least 10 in there. This is exactly how you would have shed. Yes? So if you got in here, that would be profit, 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 and still have 10%.